What's up, pyromaniacs? Welcome to the Danger Zone. Today I will destroy this old Soviet Union fridge by Corsair 50,000. It will be only one detonation, but it will be very impressive. I placed around my mannequins to see what can happen if safety precautions are ignoring. And me in turn will hiding over there behind concrete block. Alright, I think no need to pull firecracker by the wick. Just let's continue. Agree with me, it looks amazing. Okay, I'm hit, and I hope the pillar does not fall. I thought it could be cool. What a oof. Yeah guys, that was powerful. It just nothing left of the fridge. Nearly Herc knocked back the door. And Paul stands still. And now I imagine what can I do in next videos. Fridge just completely exploded. Who enjoyed the video? Put likes and subscribe channel. See ya in new videos. Bye everyone.